Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive and we cannot customize them manually. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on I wanted to tap on date, but I can tap on start with the time. So as you can see, simply swipe your finger and set the hour you want. Confirm it with OK. Of course, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the date. Just by swiping, pick the day, month and the year. Tap on OK. And the time zone, just tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, for example this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. However, be aware of course that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can decide whether you want to use the 24-hour clock format or 12-hour format just by using this switcher. It's up to you. And we've got also the dual clocks, which basically means that your device will show you two different clocks. One will display the hour from the place of your residence, and the second from any other part of the world of your choice. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course if you want to, you can always go back to all previous settings, to the automatic settings, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.